I ride alone through the devil's grin, the shadows whisper on the howling wind. With a cold iron heart and a loaded gun, I'm sending angels back to heaven one by one. Oh, the stars don't shine where my boots tread. The moon hides a face from the blood I've shed. Each soul I take weighs a ton, sending angels back to heaven one by one. They say justice sleeps, but I wake her loud, with fire and fury through the dusted crowd. For the sins of the righteous can't be outrun.